It's usually a good idea to put unwanted stuff to use again. You may not only buy the furniture or storage you need at a discount, but it also helps you decrease waste. You only need to look around your home to identify an old item you no longer use which is still valuable for recycling, such as an old ladder. Are you seeking ideas on how to repurpose it? We've collected our favorite DIY ladder projects that fit small kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms for you. As always, SimpHome presents you with the list. Number 12. A multi-tiered nightstand idea. Lack of space is a typical small bedroom challenge, and many don't utilize vertical storage adoption ideally. This multi-tiered nightstand, for example, is suitable for a small bedroom since it does not take up much space, yet it can hold many items simultaneously. More importantly, it will not cost you a lot because you only need to grab your old ladder and some wooden boards. Then, sand the ladder and boards and apply any finish you want to make it more appealing. After that, screw the boards to the ladder to create the shelves. Consider attaching the ladder to the wall using L brackets or large hinges for peace of mind. Number 11. A hanging corner bookshelf idea. If you've run out of space for storage in your room, think again. You still have plenty of it, but have not yet found a way to tap into it. How about this brilliant corner bookshelf? This bookshelf will save more space. More importantly, it is easy to make even if you're not into woodworking. To make this corner bookshelf, you will need a double ladder. Then simply screw it to the L brackets attached to the wall. Do not forget to leave space between the ladder and the wall so the books can sit snugly. If you can't find a double ladder, 2 smaller ladders will do in a pinch. Number 10. A beautiful wreath for the special events. Christmas is approaching, and if you haven't decided on a new decor project, you can try this beautiful ladder wreath. When making a Christmas wreath, you can choose dozens of options such as burlap, ribbon, and eyelash yarn. First, you'll need a 10-inch wreath form, paddle wire, hot glue gun, holly berries, noble fir, cedar, princess pine, and red twig dogwood. Once the wreath is ready, you can hang it on the ladder. Then wrap the ladder with princess pine. Finally, lean the ladder against the wall or suspend it from the ceiling. Number 9. Turn it into towel holders. Add a few rustic vibes to your bathroom by making these towel holders, which are straightforward and inexpensive. You only need to grab an old ladder, sand it thoroughly, and apply 2 coats of gel stain. Consider sealing it with polyurethane since it is resistant to moisture. After that, lean the ladder against the wall and hang your towels on it. Number 8. From a humble ladder to an over-the-toilet storage idea. This ladder storage will be your safe bet if space is at a premium in your small bathroom. This ladder storage does not require plenty of space. You only need to lean it over your toilet. Then add some hooks and baskets that you can use to house toilet paper and some other bathroom essentials. Number 7. Hanging ladder pot racks. When the floor space is limited and your cabinets have occupied the walls, it's time for you to use the 5th wall, the ceiling. An old ladder can make a great hanging organizer when you team it up with the ceiling. You only need to attach one 3/8-inch eye screw to the 4 ends of the ladder. Then assemble chains with the eye screws using a few quick links. Next, install 4 heavy-duty hooks for the ceiling and hang the chains. You can also add a wooden board on the ladder to create a shelf so that you can put some baskets on it. After that, add several S-hooks to hang pots and pans. Number 6. An upside-down ladder shelf idea. This upside-down ladder is for you if you want practicality and style. Unlike many ladder shelves that stand on their feet, creating an A shape, this ladder comes in an upside-down design. Instead of standing on the floor, you can attach it to the wall using screws and brackets. To make it more exciting, paint it the color that complements the interior design of your room. Then have fun displaying your knickknacks. You can try other displaying tricks by first browsing our featured article, 27 Organization Hacks for a Small Space. The list covers essential but often forgotten potential that your space may already possess, including dozens of other ideas that require only basic woodworking. Be there after the video end, and without further ado, let's continue our countdown with Number 5. A fruit basket on the ladder idea. This is a unique way to decorate and simultaneously make your kitchen more functional. Instead of suspending a ladder from the ceiling or screwing it to the wall, you can let it lean against the wall on your countertop. Then get 2 wire baskets and hang them to the ladder's rungs using cable ties. Finally, you can fill the baskets with potatoes, eggs, onions, or fruits. The colorful fruits and vegetables will also jazz up your cooking space immensely. Number 4. An open closet system idea with a little touch of a ladder. The open closet system is an ideal alternative when your bedroom serves you no closet. You can find many ways to incorporate a ladder in your open closet system. You can instantly attach the ladder to the wall with wooden supports you make from scratch or L-brackets if you want sturdiness. Then hang your clothes on the ladder. Another way to use a ladder as your closet is by investing in 2 units of IKEA Kallax. Then screw a ladder to connect them. This way, you can have plenty of shelves with a hanging rod in the middle. Number 3. A rustic bathroom ladder caddy idea. Although the bathroom is not where you can hang out with your friends, it still deserves styling. Use this rustic caddy, for example, if you're into a rustic-style transformation. You only need to sand an old ladder, stain it, and seal it with polyurethane to protect it from excess moisture. Then get some wire racks and cable ties. After that, lean the ladder against the wall by the bathtub. This way, you can grab towels or shampoo in almost an instant. Number 2. A ladder transformation project idea with light fixture. This ladder project idea will perk up your festivities instantly. Most importantly, you can make it yourself without the hassle. To make this lighting fixture, you'll need an old ladder, some light bulbs for a classic ambiance, and any decorative items of your choice, depending on the theme you're trying to carve out. Tip: you can use twigs to create a natural look that can make a great fall decoration. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have SimpHome Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1. A ladder shelving idea for the dining room. If you're not into the well-worn and warm appearance that pays tribute to the past, you can opt for this ladder project idea that lends a more contemporary style. This project requires 2 double ladders. Then paint them and the boards white to gain a contemporary look. After that, slide some boards on the rungs to create the shelving unit. Finally, display your colorful cups and bowls to spruce up the kitchen. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon!